SKF Elixer is a global leader in designing, manufacturing and marketing of paddy processing plants, mineral water plants and wastewater management plants. Presenting to you SKF VULCAN ETP, an efficient solution for effluent treatment and recycle. The raw effluent generated from the parboiling processing units is first taken to the screening chamber, where the bigger particles or floating matters are screened. Then it is taken to the adjacent chamber with the baffled walls called pre-settler or pre-collection tank. The heavy inert sill particles are allowed to settle down at the bottom of the tank, whereas free-floating oily substances, if any present in the effluent, are allowed to float. The overflow of the pre-collection tank is taken by gravity to the equalization tank. The equalization tank is given to homogenize the flow and pollutant load in the feed effluent. The mixing of the contents is done by the aeration system. It is then pumped at a constant rate using a set of pumps to the AABR called Advanced Attached Growth Bioreactor. The Advanced Attached Growth Bioreactor has got a special media which is used for allowing the bacteria, namely the workers in the bioreactor, to proliferate and multiply, to oxidize the organics present in the effluents in terms of BOD and COD, to convert them into harmless final products. A set of bioreactors are given based on the flow rate, and the air as required for oxidation is supplied by a set of air blowers. The overflow of the bioreactors, that is the AABR, is taken by gravity to the secondary settling tank for separating the bacteria from the treated water. The secondary settling tank is provided to separate the bioflux in the form of sludge from the treated water. The sludge settles at the bottom and the clear water overflows into the next chamber. The settled sludge at the bottom of the secondary settling tank is recirculated back to the bioreactor using a set of airlift pumps, and the excess sludge produced is put on the sludge drying beds for dewatering and drying. This is to concentrate the solids present in the sludge to reduce the water content for easy disposal of the sludge. The overflow of the secondary settling tank is collected in the filter feed tank or clarified water tank. The water is then pumped through a set of filters, namely pressure sand filter and activated carbon filter. This is done for the final polishing of the biologically treated water. The filtered water is then taken to the final polishing unit called activated carbon filter. Is dosed with required quantities of chlorine in the form of hypochlorite solution for ensuring disinfection of the water. The final treated polished water at the outlet of the activated carbon filter after disinfection is discharged out as per the pollution control standard norms.